Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to download and install Python and Jupyter to get going with the course. So go to your favorite, any of your favorite browser. Is mine going to be Chrome, and you can go to any one which you like and just type on python.org/downloads. I'll put the link in the description also. And just click on this and you'll be redirected to a place like this. You can see I am using Windows, so I'm getting the direct download option for Windows. If you're on Mac or Linux, you'll get option directly here. Just click on the download and your download will start. As you can see in the below here, download is already getting started. So let's wait for 11 seconds, I think so. My internet is not that fast, so I hope it will be done in some more seconds. So let's wait here. So we'll download now you can see that we have downloaded Python. Now we need to execute it. There is a documentation also here. If you want to just read on Python, if you do not understand any of the topic, you can just go to docs and you can read up files from here. So you can see that our file is almost getting downloaded. It's okay. You can see our Python file got downloaded. Now let's go back where it got installed. So let's come out of our browser and come back where it got installed. So let's go here. So desktop Python, come to Python 3.8. You can see here my Python got downloaded on this. You can it will be downloaded where you set up your browser to have been downloaded. So mine is downloaded here. Just go in here and click it twice. You click it twice, then you'll get some pop-up saying to accept something. Okay, you can see that it install. So just click on install. Don't forget to this mark add Python to path. Don't forget to click this should be checked up, so it will do many of the work for you automatically. Just click here add Python 3.8 to path and just go for installation. Now installation will take some time. I'll skip the video, and when the installation will be completed, we'll be right back. You can see that our installation is completed. Just go for close. Now if you want to check that whether it got downloaded or no, you can just go to your command prompt. You can just write your cmd and go to your command prompt in Windows and just type your Python. You can see if this is the line that you got Python 3.8, that means Python is totally downloaded. And let me make this okay. If you got this, if you got the Python was not recognized or anything, there is something wrong, and you should put the that this will be only for the path. I clicked on the path. If you did not click the path, then this will cause the problem. Now you can see here that Python is getting. Now you can run any Python code. Okay, you can just write here print and hello world, and you can see hello world is getting printed. This can be done here. I will teach you about all this print in the when we'll start our Python course. But currently you can see that it's not so good in writing here. When you declare a big function, this will cause a problem. So to overcome this, we will download a new software, or it's you can say it's a part of to write Python code. It's a compiler of Python code on an IDE. So we'll download that, and that will do our work in a better way. So to do this, just go to your file and go to your C drive. In your C drive, go to your users. You can see here, if you come down here, if I drop down this, you can see user. Go to your user and click on the user that you are working on and go to your app data. So you can see here I have my app data. If your app data is not visible, you can just go to this view, and in the options you can click this and come down to this view. Okay, let me bring this in the middle. Come down, it was in general, come to view and show hidden files. It will be here, don't show hidden files. Come to hidden files and it will do the work, and press apply, okay, and it will be done. Come to your app data, go to your locals and search for programs. So you can see here we'll get our program under the package cache package, and come to program. Inside the program you can see that there is a Python. Click that Python, go to that Python 38, and inside this go to the scripts. Okay, back here. Okay, yes, that's good. Go to scripts and come here. If you are in Windows, this is very easy. Just go to your command prompt now. Cut out this and cmd. If you are in Linux or Mac, I don't know if you can do this, or else you should go to back to command prompt and change a directory to this directory that was here, or else copy this and change the directory in their command prompt. In Windows you can simply just write here cmd and just press enter, and you'll be redirected to this command prompt. And now you need to type here three things. Write here pip install Jupyter. Type this pip install Jupyter. I hope you are getting this. After writing this, just press enter. As soon as you press the enter, the process will get started. You can see here is collecting Jupyter, means it's downloading something. So it will take some time for downloading. Wait for the download to complete. You can see here all our files got downloaded. It's giving us a warning of pip version, but that's nothing to worry about. Now you can see that our version is getting downloaded and we got back to our. Now if you want to run this, if you want, earlier I said that you can change directory. You can just write here change directory and paste any command you want. So I want that it should go up to this user. So you can just copy this here and paste it here. So you can see it's back to users. Now how to open notebook. So notebook, just cut out this command prompt and go to your folder where you want to write the file. So we'll go to our Python 3.8 and here we'll just, like earlier, we'll just write cmd. Means our new file will be creating will come inside this file. So now we can just write here Jupyter Notebook, and you can see it will take some time and we'll start loading our Jupyter Notebook, and it will open on your default browser that you set to open. So as my default browser is Chrome, so it is opening up in Chrome. Now you can see that our folder got opened where we started our command prompt. Just go to the new and click on Python 3 because we will be working with Python. Click on Python 3 and you can see your new, there will be a new tab opened up, and this is the interface of your Jupyter Notebook. This is the interface where we'll be writing here code here. Okay, let me write a code and I'll explain the interface here. So let's write here print hello world. Okay, how did I run that? For printing, you just write there whatever you want to write, and to run that, you can just click here run, or you can just press shift enter. So this is how you run your code. So we'll talk about printing and variable and all that in Python. You don't need to know that now. We'll be learning that. That's I'm showing you the interface. If you want to add one more shell, these are called shell where we write something. Just click on the plus icon and you can see our shell is getting increased. And if you want to delete it, just press the scissor symbol and you can see it's getting deleted. That's how we add more, means whenever we wanted to write here something, you can write it in the next line, then you can just add up, or after running something, one is getting automatically added. After we run something, one will get automatically, and to run you need to press shift enter or press this run button. Okay, now if you want to save, means your file name you can see it is untitled. So to rename it, go to file and go to rename. So you can just write here first file.